With the rapid development of the global communication industry, fiber optic manufacturing is facing multiple challenges in terms of efficiency, quality, and cost. The traditional production management model that relies on manual recording has been difficult to support the high-tempo and fine-grained manufacturing needs. Radio frequency identification technology through non-contact, automated data collection. Provide real-time, accurate, and traceable data support for optical fiber production. During the production process, each fiber is bound with a RFID tag. Model, specifications, raw materials, and other information are written synchronously. And in the drawing, coding, testing, packaging, and other key stations to achieve automatic identification and data recording. The system collects production progress, process status, and test results in real time, precisely distinguish between good and bad products, support process optimization, and closed-loop management. To RFID. Each fiber optic cable has a unique digital ID. The production process is fully transparent. Management decisions are more scientific and efficient. In the era of intelligent manufacturing, RFID is becoming a key technology for optical fiber manufacturing enterprises to achieve high-quality development and enhance their core competitiveness.